What's good, guys? Welcome to the unboxing of Avalon. Now, Avalon is actually one of my favorite games of all time. It's been around for a while and really common, so you'll be able to find it at a bunch of board game shops and online as well. We actually got our version online at Amazon for about $20, so it's really cheap, not expensive at all, and really great for mid to large group sizes. The first thing you'll see inside are the instructions. The instructions are fairly small and not complicated at all. We actually have a how-to video that teaches you how to play, where we'll go over the different pieces inside the board and objectives in depth. We'll leave a link in the description below, so definitely check it out if you want to learn a little bit more about the game. Next thing you'll get are the scorecards. They're double-sided and packed with artwork. In this version, the scorecards are actually fairly flimsy. In another version I've played with, the scorecards are of a thicker cardboard similar to this approval token. All in all though, with this version, the scorecards are still awesome. The pictures are super dope, a lot lighter to carry around, and laminated in case those parties get a bit messy and they get tossed around. Next thing that comes with the game are the player cards. The player cards are of similar size to regular playing cards. As you can see, we've got the Ace of Spades. Almost identical. They're well finished, smooth, and come with distinct images of the characters and pieces needed to play the game. We've got Merlin and the good guys. We've got Mordred. Ooh, check out the assassin. And the bad guys. We've got the success and fail mission cards. And lastly, the red and blue tokens for Lady of the Lake. Lastly are the various different tokens that come with the game. We've got the reject token, the approval token, we've got the score markers with the red and the blue side to differentiate which team won the round. We've got the Lady of the Lake to add a different dimension to the game. It's another character. And we've also got the round and the vote markers, as well as the leader token and the team tokens. Now, the only downside to the game is that there aren't any extra pieces. So if you lose something, you're gonna have to get creative and either make or find something to replace the lost piece. Upside, with such a small and compact game, you can play up to 10 players worth, so that's pretty cool, and each round only lasts about 20 to 30 minutes. I find whenever I play with my friends, we get super into it and we can play for hours on end. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below, and definitely like and share our video, and subscribe to our page if you're looking for more laughs and more board games. Until then, take care, guys.